What's good, YouTube? It's your boy What's the Thing, and I'm back up in this thing, baby. So it's a new day today. We just woke up. We about to get our day started. It's me and my girl Farron again. She don't like being on camera. She's sipping a coffee. We just had McDonald's on the trunk of my car real quick. Check this out before I get into what we doing today, but check out my wheels. I don't know what this is. So I touched it right there, but it's like something, it looks like brake dust clumped up, and it's literally going all the way around on my wheel. I touched it to make sure it comes off. The stuff is like, it's like light, it's like dusty. I thought it was gonna come off when I drive this morning, but obviously we drove here and it didn't come off. But anyways, today, so we got a little bit of shopping to do. I'm gonna take y'all through while we go shopping real quick. And then after that, we hitting the beach today. We're gonna be chilling out, maxing, relaxing. Your boy's gonna try to get his color right. And that's what we doing today, so catch y'all later, man. Well, y'all, we lied about shopping. We ain't doing no shopping today. We was up in that store, man. The line was wrapped all the way around that mug. We stood in line for like 15 minutes, and we didn't even get a quarter of the way through. So we back in downtown Santa Cruz right now. Oh, I forgot my mask. Damn, y'all. So I may not even go in the shop. Most of these places ain't been letting people in. That's my bad. Have to have my girl run up in there. But anyways, we run into the sandwich shop. We finna pick us up some sandwiches, man. Then we hitting the beach.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. I'm well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that. Wanna fuck me looking at the bill stack. Off the bubbly buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out. Niggas laced up, I really hate love from a stranger. Shit is fake stuff, only need it from you.
We made it to the beach finally, y'all. Got our beach chair set up. We out here, man. Got some drink. Sorry about the wind noise, you guys. It's probably all bad because it's hella windy. You can see your boy's hair's all jacked up. That boy got his toes out. You know I'm at the beach. I got my toes out. We don't never take our toes out. But anyways, we got the sandwiches on deck. We got the beautiful view out here. Somebody getting a party over there, getting it cracking. Just beach vibes. So if you guys don't know too much about me and my girl, man, Santa Cruz has been one of our spots since we first got together, huh? So yeah, that's what we like to do, man. I'm just taking y'all along for the ride. Look at this hill we gotta climb. I got on Vapor Maxes. If y'all got a pair of Vapor Maxes, they is not the shoe to be going up and down a hill in at all. Got this little tiny path. Damn. Y'all about to be in for a laugh. I got this bag full of drinks. If you guys wondering why she's carrying chairs. Lucky I don't pop one of my Vapor Max bubbles on this. Damn. A B? Oh, hell no. No, I don't do no B's. You got it?
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. I'll be alright.
You fine?
I got it. Yeah. Recording.
Hold on.
Alright. Let's go. My shoes are done for after this. Whew. Oh, it don't get no better. Y'all see that big ass rock? Your shoes are done for. Whew. I think my ass is hanging out. Come on, so work out. We almost there. Whew. Damn, y'all. Whew. Damn. You alright? Damn. I'm telling you. Too damn old. feel like a dog. Got my tongue out, mouth open. It's over for my hair. Both of our hairs tore back, man. It's hella windy out here. Oh, they left their trunk open. See that? Left y'all trunk open, man. There she is. I feel like we were walking in the desert and you just finally seeing water for the first time. Shit, man. Whew. My car never looked so damn good. We ended up shooting back out here to the boardwalk. It's chill. We were out in the sand, but it was starting to get windy and cold and stuff, so we came back up on the boardwalk. We chilling out here. But Farron wanted some sweets from this place right here. It's like a famous spot out here in Santa Cruz. Anyways, they had chocolate covered bacon. So we about to see what's up with the chocolate covered bacon. I've never had it before. I've seen it, a bunch of people have it and everything, but I've never tried it. So today's the day, y'all. Chocolate covered bacon. Bacon probably about to be greasy as hell. It's already coming through the bag. I'm still hyped though. That ain't finna slow me down. Hell no. Alright, you guys, so we moved to a new location. Now's the time. We're gonna try it. My first time ever. Chocolate covered bacon from Marini's and the Santa Cruz Boardwalk. Don't look half bad. Chocolate covered bacon. Oh, that's kind of weird. I guess it still tastes like bacon, but it tastes like chocolate.
Tastes like chocolate covered bacon?
Pretty much. That's not bad. That's not special, but it's bacon. Bacon ain't really ever bad. I would kind of like it. It ain't bad. I wouldn't never make it. Probably wouldn't buy it again, but it's cool. It's something to try. It's an experience. It's weird though, like, definitely feel like they use some cheap bacon. Oh, look at the bacon, it's all overcooked in there. Ugh. Yeah, that's probably the issue. It's overcooked for sure. Why we gotta start looking disgust back there? And if you guys don't know, Farron does not, sorry I'm talking with my mouth open. Farron does not eat meat. She don't mess with meat. She don't cook meat. She don't even like to look at meat. Yeah, that's cool. That's an experience. It's something to try. If you guys have never had chocolate covered bacon, I say try it. But if you didn't, you wouldn't regret it. I can say I did it, right?
I'm gonna stay.
The beach isn't nearly as busy as it was yesterday when we came out here. It's a little bit cooler though. But man, me and Farron needed a vacation for real, y'all. I'm telling you, like, she just got the new job, which I talked about before. She's gonna be starting on June 22nd. Shout out to you, my baby. She doing her thing for real. Anyways, y'all, she don't really want to talk about it. I don't know why, but I'm gonna talk about it because I'm proud as fuck for real. But I didn't even say where she worked. You see how she be doing me, y'all? I've been grinding with school, and then I went right into summer school. I didn't even get a week off or nothing like that. We went straight into school right away. And my girl, she just got 2 degrees. She don't really like to talk about it, y'all, but really, shout out to her. She got 2 freaking degrees. So yeah, man, we've been out here grinding and hustling. We feel like we deserve this trip. So we out here at the beach chilling. And it's just nice to be out here. It's nice to just relax. It's nice to kick back.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on.
Y'all see it, we at the Great Mall in Milipitas, y'all. So today's a big day, man. Today, I'm ordering my freaking exhaust. I've been talking about it for how long, but I'm not home yet. I'm still in Milipitas, so I'll be home pretty soon. I'm gonna get my shit ordered, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all. Damn, y'all, so we ended up cashing out here at the Milipitas outlet. Y'all see the Nike bags, big Nike bags on deck. Check this shit out. I swear, y'all, look how far I parked over on the line just so nobody fucking parks next to me, and then I got this asshole. Come on, man. People killing me.